Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 10 time part 3rd. In previous class we also discussed about formulas of time. You know the formulas of time? First, 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Then 1 hour is equal to how many minute? 60 minute. Then 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Now we convert into day into hours, hours into minute, minute into second, then or year into month, month into days. First we study day into hours. Convert 3 days into hours. Convert 3 days into hours. First, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 3 days is equal to 24 multiply 3 is equal to 72 hours. Then now hour into convert hour into 4 hours 15 minute into minute. Then solution 1 hour is equal to 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. We have 4 hours is equal to 4 hours 15 minute is equal to 60 into 4 plus 15. 240 plus 15 is equal to 255 minutes. Then now minute into second. Minute into second. 5 minute 25 second. 5 minute 25 seconds into second. 5 minute 25 seconds into second. 1 minute is equal to 1 minute is equal to how many second? 60 second. We have how many minute we have? 5 minute 25 second. 5 minute 25 second is equal to 60 into 5 plus 25 is equal to 6 5 ja 30. 300 plus 25 is equal to 325 second. Now year into month, days into hours, we convert, then minute into second, then hours into minute, these are we convert, then year into days, 3 years into days. 1 year is equal to, in ordinary way, 1 year is equal to 365 days. Then you write 1 year solution. 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Then we have how many years? 3 years is equal to 365 into 3. Then first you multiply this 365 into 3. Multiply this number. Then 3 5 ja 15, 18, 19, 10. What is our answer? 1095 days. Now, next question. 4 years, 25 days into days. 4 years, 25 days into days. Solution. 1 year is equal to, 1 year is equal to how many days? 365 days. Okay. Then we have 4 years, 25 days. 4 years, 25 days is equal to 365 multiply 4 plus 25. Now you multiply 365 multiply by 4. Okay. 4 5 ja 20, carrying 2, 24, 24, 26, again carrying 2, 12, 14. Then you add 25 days also add here. Then 5, 8, 4, 1. Our answer is 1485 days. Understand you? Now, year into month. How to convert years into month? 2 year into 2 years into month. 2 years into month. 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. Then solution, 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. Then 2 years is equal to 12 multiply 2, then 24 months. 12 multiply 2 is equal to 24 months. Next, three years, 4 months into month. First solution, 1 year is equal to 12 months. Then 3 years, 4 months is equal to 12 into 3 plus 4. Okay. Then 36 plus 4 is equal to 40 months. Then in time chapter, you know AM and PM. AM, you know the AM when start with AM is start with AM and PM. AM and PM. We start in midnight, after midnight and before noon. Midnight 12 o'clock, after midnight and before noon. AM, after midnight AM is start, then up to noon, before noon. Then after noon and before midnight, PM is start. After noon and before midnight, PM is start. Then you now in the morning, in morning 6:30, you say PM or AM? AM, 6:30. In the evening 5:30, you AM or PM? PM. Understand you? Then in the morning 9:15, in the morning 9:15, AM or PM? AM. At night 9:15, which is AM or PM? PM. This the time between midnight to noon, AM. The time between afternoon to before midnight is PM. Okay. You understand the time chapter? I think you understand. Any doubt you ask. Okay. Thank you.